So we are here on the main plaza of the city, and this is the Imperial Palace, and now it's a museum, and you can rent such a horse and a carriage, and this very European-ish looking. What's this one? Once again, what's this?
It's a church.
Parliament?
No, it's a
church. Just a church.
Yeah.
Oh my God! Look what an effort humans put for God, as if God cares. And on every street corner, pizza and coffee. And it's extremely hot, like 29, maybe 30 degrees Celsius. So this is the coffee place, and that's the church place. And look how colorful the buses are. Wow, and then even an open bus. Wow, wow, wow. This reminds me of Milano. This is super huge, so very tall. And here at the center, there's something that totally looks like Versace. Okay, let me zoom in. See, it looks like Versace because actually Versace used this symbol of the Medusa for his fashion brand. And it's so peaceful and beautiful here inside. These glass roof buildings that we also have in Paris, and these very pretty floors. Wow, Tonya Barbaro. Oh, how beautiful. And look at this, very much like old Roman mosaics from the time of Pompeii. And of course again, cafes. Gelato, cafe, as if these people have really nothing better to do than take a break on every street corner. Wow! Yay! So, with my very best friend, since we were like little kids. Ciao, ciao! Ciao! So, she lives here, that's why I came to see her in Napoli. Naples.
So we enjoyed today, and she will enjoy the next day, and I will go to meet her.
Yeah.
In the weekend.
So she's gonna dump baby and husband, and we're gonna have like a girls' day.
Girls party
In like the most gorgeous city in this entire area, which is still top secret.
Yet. Not yet.
and just like that from the main street you walk through to this very old building. So we go that way. Wow, see, with all these columns. So I'm sure this is a very important building. See, Polizia Municipale, like the policemen are guarding it. And I've lost my girlfriend. Where is she? One thing that is kind of typical for Napoli is here up on the hill is the castle, and then there are these tiny streets in between the large buildings of the main shopping street. So you keep walking and then you find these streets that have very special trattorias, restaurants, and then up here the castle. So see, the castle is up there, and when we zoom out and out, so see something like this. And see like this again. Wow, and look at this pizzeria on the corner with all this colorful stuff underneath. And then we have this sunny top of the buildings, palm trees. Like, see that very narrow street there? Scary. Yo, and look at this, we have a huge statue in the middle of the plaza. Wow, and look at the wall of this church. You would say it's done by Hermes. So this is the church of Gesu Nuovo. As if it's not enough that we have an old Jesus, these people are praying to a new Jesus. Another very famous church, Santa Chiara. Very simple one. So this is a garden full of Majolicas in the Santa Chiara church. So you can see it's just like my dress all the way. So this is actually where we are, in the Santa Chiara gardens. As you can see, all around us is full of Majolicas, and it will cost you like $7 or more just to enter in this garden and just to see this stuff. There's nothing more than this. See, really cute. So now we saw the azaleos in Portugal, and we even get to see the Majolicas in Italy. Yes, all the walls have these frescoes, so it is very pretty. Actually, if you have time to slowly watch, it's a very nice style of paintings. And here, you know, it looks 3D. This is the Madeleine, Holy Madeleine, at the nice ceilings, and it goes all the way here and all around. So given that mess of color, it's really impressive that from a distance you can see an actual figure and people and painting. And so this was built in 1300 Anno Domini. And yes, this is also Napoli. And then this is another symbol of Napoli. This look is just somebody's inner yard, but look how pretty it is. And so this is the view on the other side from the yard. Old culture and young culture collide and merge. And one more palace, Palazzo Petrucci, with another statue in another plaza. No shit, pasticceria, Vesuvio made of baba. And this is one of the most important fountains in Napoli. You can see the god Triton, Tritone. He's the god of the oceans, and he has that fork, and he's eating the whales with that fork. And because he eats the whales, the people in the northern islands like Norway are killing the whales. Okay, I'm kidding. I am kidding. He is not killing anybody because he is vegetarian. And here is a cute pigeon. So this fountain is one of the most important landmarks of Napoli city. Also, it is a public bath for the city pigeons, and it is not a place where you as American tourists should dive in like it was in the news a while ago. So here we have a slow zoom on a lady with horse feet, so she must be a Sagittarius. And see, she has really small boobs because this is natural. She doesn't have silicones. Although maybe many Italian chicks nowadays do have silicones. And let's go check. Let's do a panty shot of Mr. Triton. Okay, very well positioned. And just here from this very gorgeous fountain, landmark of the city, is the port out there. You can see a huge cruise ship is docked in, then there are many yachts, and it's a very famous port. And then this castle, I thought it's like a Moorish castle or, you know, Ottoman, something like that, but actually it is a French castle. Yo, so here we get a close-up on this castle, which is French, although it looks very Ottoman to me, but it's a French castle. Ah, amazing, amazing. Look at this, we got to see the castle, because we are now in Napoli. Ah. Wow, look at the stunning entrance. Okay, this one looks French now, but the towers look Ottoman. And if you didn't see it well, here is Castel at the pizza shop where we're gonna eat pizza. My lemons with this Majolica porcelain and with amazing pizzas. Yo, I'm still Lemon and we are still at the chapter pizza in Napoli. Yes, we are in Italy. In Italy.